Welcome to whynew.in. Let us go through the specifications of Dell Latittude E7490. It is powered by 4.2 GHz Intel Core i7-8650U. This processor comes with integrated Intel HD graphics 620. It also comes with 16 GB RAM, which is also upgradable up to 32 GB. It has inbuilt SSD of 256 GB, which can be upgradable. It has 14 Full HD IPS screen and built-in 720p webcam and microphone. 60Wh internal battery supplies power to this laptop, which can run up to 4 hours. This laptop comes with Windows 10 operating system, which can upgradable to Windows 11. Comes to connectivity, it has both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Dell Latittude E7490 has all essential ports. 3 USB 3.2 port, 1 USB Type-C port, 1 HDMI port, 1 SD card, 1 RJ45 port, 1 3.5mm headphone jack. Overall, this laptop is compact, lightweight, durable, and a good performer for office professionals and students. Why choose whynew.in? For good-looking laptops. For quality-tested laptops. For personalized support. For warranty upgradation option. Kindly contact to buy this laptop at whynew.in. Whynew by like new.